10a minus 4b into bracket 5a minus 7b. Solution. We have 10a minus 4b into bracket 5a minus 7b. Now, the next thing for us to do is to use the first term in the first binomial expression, then to multiply the whole of second binomial expression. What is the first term in the first binomial expression? That's 10a. Then we use 10a to multiply 5a minus 7b. Now, what is the next thing to do? We use the second term in the first binomial expression. The second term is minus 4b, then to multiply the whole of second binomial expression. The next step is to expand the brackets. Expanding the bracket, we use 10a to multiply the first term here, which is 5a. Now, 10 times 5 is 50. And a times a is what? A squared. Now, we use that same 10a to multiply the second term, which is minus 7b. Now, 10 times minus 7 will give us minus 70. And a times b will give us ab. So we have minus 70b here. Now, we use minus 4b to multiply the first term, which is 5a. Now, minus 4 times 5 will give us minus 20. Now, b times a will give us ba, which is the same thing as ab. Now, we use that same minus 4b to multiply the second term here. Minus times minus will give us what? Plus. Now, 4 times 7 will give us 28. And b times b will give us b squared. Now, we have 4 terms. And the 2 terms at the middle are like terms. Hence, we add them together. So, we have 50a squared. Now, we have minus 70ab minus 20ab. Minus 70 minus 20 is same thing as what? Minus 90. So at the middle term, we are going to have minus 90ab. Then with the last term, which is plus 28b squared. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.